Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche of Nashua, we have a car I've been wanting to review since it came out. This is the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Yes, it's the same motor that's in my Hellcat in a Grand Cherokee. I've driven the SRT8, but I've never driven a Trackhawk until now. That sound. Oh yeah, true duals. Look at those brakes. Not sure if it's detailed under here, but it's worth a check. Yeah, it hasn't been fully detailed yet. Boy. There we go. Harman Kardon sound system. Panoramic roof. But that's not what this is really built for. What this thing's built for is that. Backup camera. We're in track mode. Although we're gonna have to be, obviously, I daily drive my Hellcat. This is gonna have more grip than that, but not by much. Put 700 horsepower in an SUV. It's the Mopar way. I will say this thing has way more burbles than my car. It also is extremely loud. So this might have the mid-muffler delete, because that's how you get burbles in Hellcats, is mid-muffler deletes. Either that, or it's a completely different exhaust that's louder on the Trackhawks. I would not see that being the case, but it's starting to dry out. That's good. Oh boy, I'm almost nervous. Just mat it. What in all things? What? Why? Why does he? Alright, I just stepped out of the Taycan Turbo S. Keep in mind, that's next level fast. So my viewpoint is a little diminished, but that's fast. That's very fast. And the difference between this and my car is this hooks. Alright, that's enough of track suspension. Let's see. Let's go into a... Is there a custom? Yeah. Give me a custom mode. Everything in track except for so that's custom mode. Let's go auto, sport, track, and play with paddles. What? Why Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, Mopar, Fiat, Ferrari? I don't know what owns this. Obviously I do, it's Stellantis, but there's no reason this needs to be as visceral and violent and aggressive as it is. This is way more of a double-edged sword than the Hellcats are. Yeah, the Hellcats are sitting there and yeah, they're comfortable cruisers and they're all-out weapons. This feels even more of an all-out weapon, and it's also more comfortable. So the two extremes go even further. And this should, I think this is real carbon in here too, and suede and all that. Track suspension's a little bit much. And that's the case in my Hellcat too. But don't. Why'd you have to be good? Why'd you have to be good? Really? Now I want to buy one. Well, now I gotta go make money so I can buy one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.